Hi there, in this tutorial I will show you how to save your file as a PDF for using on the web. That is, if you want to email it, you want to post it as download, or whatever work you can imagine on the web. I chose this file especially to show you that nothing outside the artboard will be printed to the PDF or even to your printer. Everything inside the artboard will be printed. So how do you create a PDF to send on the web? You come to File and you go to Save As simple as this. And over here you need to choose your desktop, the folder where you want to save. And instead of Adobe Illustrator AI, you select Adobe PDF. And of course you have to select again the folder, save, and save again. Now you have here Save PDF panel, and you can choose, instead of Illustrator default, you can choose the high quality print. It's going to give you a very nice file. There is an option here, preserve Illustrator editing capabilities. As it says, this PDF file that's going to be created, you can re-edit it and has all the shapes, all the stories that you have done within Illustrator. So everything done in Illustrator will be preserved. This is not an option that you want to keep on. First, it will make your file quite large, and you really don't want to email large files. And secondly, maybe you don't want people to edit this file. So you uncheck Preserve Illustrator Editing Capability, and as simple as this, you click on Save PDF. It will warn you, hey, no more Illustrator here. You say, okay, no problem. And it saves your file. Let's go and check our file. It's over here, brochure. It's 1.4 megabyte. We have a very small file, so it's fairly good. If you double click here, you have your PDF file that you can just start, emailing and posting on the web to be downloaded. If you deem that the 1.4 megabyte is big, maybe you have 10 megabyte or something like this, then there is a way to make the file a bit smaller, the PDF file, of course. Come to File, you go Save As, and same, it is a PDF file, and you click on Save. And nope, let's make it smaller. This one is smaller. And you click on Save. Now, instead of custom, you can choose smallest file size. And of course, this option now is removed, and it's gonna make your file a bit smaller. Let's see. We click on Save PDF. That's all you have to do. And no more editing, fine. We click OK, and the file is being created pretty fast. So if you come to your desktop now, inside the folder, let's see them. You notice that the smaller file is 121 kilobyte versus 1.4 megabyte. So it's up to you. And actually, if you look at both of them, you will find they are almost the same quality. Not almost, they are the same quality. And they're pretty good for download and email and stories like this. So this is the way to save your files or your work to PDF for the web. In the next lecture, we're gonna get a bit more professional.